I'm Shakespeare Cliff, and I've seen everything from the dinosaurs to the dodos. I witnessed the Great Mega Flood. It was amazing, and this is what happened.
Chalk formed under the sea from the white cliffs of Dover to France. But it's quite interesting how it was formed. Let me tell you about it.
Millions of years ago, Folkestone was covered by sea, and in this big sea, chalk formed on the seabed. This chalk was made up of once living tiny microorganisms called coccolithopores.
When they drop into the sea, their bones break up and form the chalk.
Millions and millions of years later, tectonic movements in the earth pushed up the chalk upwards and created a huge chalkland bridge
stretching across from what is now the UK and France.
It looked amazing, and even better, it separated the lake from the sea.
Ça c'est la terre méditerranéenne avec un chemin naturel. Et il y a eu la température qui l'a baissé et il y a eu la neige et la glace. Elle a été collée avec l'Europe.
But the sea level suddenly rose and went over the world. Then France and England were separated. Crash! That was bad though, because the chalk was a pathway for us.
The whole thing was spectacular and amazing.
Porous, pearly, mysterious minerals, shiny and speckled stones,
Flaky and flinky, are very cracked and sharp. Pebbles, oh pebbles, natural and gnarly pebbles.
Pebbles lived in the ocean and now they live in the sand on the beach.
Whirling, wonderful, windy waves crash on the shimmering shore. They make a crunching, crumbling sound.
Pebbles, pebbles, splashing in the wavy sea.
Pebbles pearly, speckled and shiny, a mystery mess on my beach.
Pearly pebbles, like natural gnarly glittery jewellery.
Pebbles, pebbles are so colourful, shiny crystals, pretty crystals, salty crystals, colourful crystals. I love pebbles. Brown, blue, white, grey and green. Some are smooth and some are hard. I love colourful pebbles.
Pebbles, 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 happily dancing in the sea, crashing together rapidly to the shore. Colourful pebbles, cracked pebbles, speckled pebbles, fragile pebbles, mystery pebbles and jagged pebbles.
Pebbles, pebbles, are how I love you so much. They sleep in the moonlight at night.
Perfect pearly pebbles, shimmering, shining, the scorching summer sun.
Pebbles, pebbles, little, smooth and sandy. Pebbles, pebbles, cold and colourful. Pebbles, pebbles, speckled, brown with white and black.
Pebbles, pebbles in the sparkling splashing sea. Pebbles, pebbles down in the pearly dark sea. Pebbles, pebbles on the shining beach beside a fragile, cracking pebbles so
Strong, grey and gritty. I love pebbles so pretty. Lovely pebbles so slippery. Spiky pebbles, all of them are so sparkly.
hard, sparkly pebbles sing me the rivery chime of the blue sea.
Pebbles happily dancing in the shining ocean, rapidly swimming to shore.
Fragile and scarred, gnarly and natural, wet and weathered, cracked and colourful. Rocks crash with the wet, wet waves. Everyone listens to the rock, and I absolutely love them.
Precious pebbles,
Speckled, shiny, tactile, tough and rough. Aging and strong, party underwater and put on pebbly beaches. Turning cracked, so many pebbles on one beach, and so many pebbly pebble stories.